Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today the plan is that my old Mark 4 Golf shell, and I'm going to take off the coilovers and the big brake kit. I'll quickly show you that now. So here we have the VMaxx big brake kit that I'll be taking off, and the coilovers. Drop links do have the TT arms on here, anti-roll bar, H&R thicker anti-roll bar. It's all been poly-bushed there, and the ECS dog bone mount is that as well. The poly bushing for the steering rack, which I don't know if that really makes much of a difference, if at all. And then on here I have the PowerFlex 10mm top hat spacers, so you sort of get your 10mm extra drop without having to use the travel on the shocks, so that's cool. So luckily I didn't really put the whole bracket on and all that sort of stuff, so I can just pop it back in the box. We had a bonus of everything not being seized as well. That's pretty good. And there we have it, all packed neatly back inside the box. Let's put that on the tape pile. Okay, so 22mm socket on there, and an H5 Allen into there, and then give it one of them. Right, I'll leave that on there a little bit. Thank you. Funny.
Keep getting this in the way.
Oh no. There we go. Oh yeah. There's always one. This bolt is coming out. Ah! Oh, I don't know why I made it so greasy when I put it back in. Oh my god. Little bit of hard work. Oh, there we go, and determination. Oh. Yeah. Cool. Right, we're getting there, Sydney. We are getting there. So I'll do the same on this side. Yeah.
Oh, you mean because, yeah, the car's already got an engine in it.
Yeah.
And it's going to be in the way.
Yeah. So I'll just have to find a way of just holding the steering rack up and then disconnect that. Hopefully I don't round any bolts off. But then
Tesco's today. They had bottles of beer called Shipyard, which is what they call session ale. It's only 3.4%.
So you can have a good sesh.
Yeah, so you can have a good sesh.
Is that why it is?
That's why they call them session ale.
Is it actually?
Because, yeah. So if you're going to be drinking a lot of beer, you don't want it too strong.
Right.
But they're selling them £1 a bottle.
Look.
3.4%. So I got some. I think so.
I think so.
Okay.
And 2 dogs, I think.
It's a lot of sleepless nights.
Got 2 spaniels, haven't
Spaniels, yeah.
you? Yeah, if you can let that down then, please.
You want this down?
Yes, please. Plug it. Oh, my connector on, please, still.
Hey! So that is all of it off then?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Okay. Handy.
Oh, you turned it off, well done.
Ooh. Hopefully.
Sun is shining on you like you're an angel.
I am. Oh, I should have done this when it was on, really.
So funny, she stuck her head in front of the... Did you do it?
I think so. Yep. I don't know what they're like on the other shell, but I'll replace them anyway.
Shall we stand on it again?
Yes, please. I need to stand on that bit. I think
This bit?
Is going to lift, yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Well done, thank you. So there we go, front end's off. So moving around to the back, so I'm going to take the rear shock off, rear anti-roll bar, drop link spring, and the forge adjustable rear tie arms, top and bottoms, down there. And then that will be everything off this shell, hopefully. So future plans are, if I have time and money, to get all the rear cradle, rear trailing arms taken off, shot blasted, powder coated, and then put them on my other shell, and just try and get the other one as nice as possible, just sort of future proof it. But yeah, this one will probably be just going for scrap, unless, you know, I can advertise it and sell it, and someone might want it to put a 1.8 turbo in it. This is what we call the knuckle crusher. Right, change the plan. There we go. Just had a bargain come up on Instagram, someone's story, one of my friends shared, and I'm just going to go and pick up what I think is a TRC front splitter for the MK4 Golf. Guys, as you may have noticed, it is another day. I have collected the TRC splitter, so really happy with it. I'm just going to get it painted with the bumpers. I'm going to go and drop it off tomorrow, and basically this is where the car is sitting right now, 4x4 mode. So I'm going to give everything a good spray with WD-40 because no doubt it needs it underneath, and I've managed to sell the wings in preparation for the SRS-tec wings turning up, which hopefully should be 2 to 3 weeks now. I'm going to take those off. They should be getting collected tomorrow. That sounded all right. And let's just dive into it. At this point, I think a lot of this is just wishful thinking that it's going to come off easy. I think there's going to be a lot of snap bolts. But anyway, we'll find out in future. Should have probably kept these wings actually, because they're in really good condition. But every little helps, I suppose, recouping some costs. I always like to put my bolts back where they came from, just so I got a good idea. I'm putting everything back together. Whilst I'm here, it doesn't actually look too bad. A bit of surface rust here, which I need to sort at some point. I'll probably just get a hose and just clear all this out. I know it's definitely worse on the other side. But yeah, may as well just clear all this out. Bare metal there, which I'll probably just spray with some primer or some hammerite maybe. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how that looks. Obviously not very happy with that. That's a nice gouge right there from what I assume is a failed jacking attempt. But the R32 skirts should cover that nicely. So whilst trying to find a screwdriver to remove the under seal around that hidden bolt holding the wing on the third bolt, found my K&N induction which will replace this floppy thing that was in when I bought it. So hopefully there'll be a little bit of a better sound from this, and also I've got the heat shield for it, so it won't be flopping around all over the place. Tell you what though, considering this must be an original wing, because that's the third hidden bolt under here. Like, that is pretty clean. There's no bubbling here where you usually get it. This is just from where the mud flap's been, but it's almost a shame to take it off. There's a little bit of a chip. Considering this car's 2003, I would literally take that any day. Tiny little bit of surface rust here. But yeah, that's well impressive. Second wing off. These can go tomorrow. So it's tomorrow. Just going to quickly whip off the wing mirror covers, because they are, you see, they're not the best. And if I'm going to get everything else painted, I may as well get these done at the same time. It's really scratched, a weird casting mark there. So yeah, just going to quickly whip these off and then go and drop off the splitter and the wing mirror covers to be painted. So wish me luck.